For all my Floridinians with smoker's cough, this green drink will clear that right up. It's got mullein and chlorophyll up in there, and when you drink this stuff with enough water, it flushes out or dissolves all that gunky mucus, allowing for you to hawk it out, or hawk-twa it out. Now, upon further research, I found that there are a lot of copies of this product on TikTok Shop, so make sure it says sold by Better Brand so you don't buy one of these cheap imitations that look more like transmission fluid than actual chlorophyll.